Welcome! Today we'll learn how to draw Lewis structures, diagrams that show how electrons are arranged in atoms and molecules. Let's start with the rules for drawing Lewis structures. First, we count the valence electrons. These are the electrons in the outer shell. Next, we arrange atoms and draw single bonds between them. Then, we add remaining electrons as dots around atoms. Finally, we check that each atom has a full octet, 8 valence electrons. Let's start with a simple example, drawing the Lewis structure for an oxygen atom. Oxygen has 6 valence electrons. We start by writing the element symbol, O. Then we add the 6 valence electrons as dots around the O, usually in pairs. Now let's try a practice problem, drawing the Lewis structure for water, H2O. First, let's count the valence electrons. Oxygen has 6, and each hydrogen has 1, for a total of 8 valence electrons. Next, we arrange the atoms with oxygen in the center and draw single bonds to the hydrogens. This uses 4 electrons. Finally, we add the remaining 4 electrons as 2 lone pairs on oxygen. Let's check our work. Oxygen has 8 electrons total, 4 in bonds and 4 in lone pairs, giving it a full octet. Each hydrogen has 2 electrons in its bond, which is correct since hydrogen only needs 2 electrons. And that's how we draw Lewis structures. Remember to count valence electrons, draw bonds, add lone pairs, and check that each atom has the correct number of electrons.